Yeah, you can always look forward to that because
tomorrow's not looking
tomorrow's
good at all.
not looking good at all. You know, as Lauren mentioned, we could be talking record-breaking snowfall, not only for tomorrow's date, but for the month of March. And I don't know, I'm not going to put you guys on the spot. Do you know what the highest snowfall in March, what storm that was? That would be
93.
91, hold it, wait a minute.
No.
Blizzard at 93.
93.
Very good.
Exactly right. And we got a foot of snow in Philadelphia, and there's a chance we may break that record
Oh,
tomorrow
no.
Wow.
with this storm. So
That's
there's
the
a
kind
chance.
of record you don't want to break.
Yeah.
That was the
Seriously.
greatest when you were a kid.
It was. When you were a kid.
You just kept getting those
Snow day
notifications.
after snow day
Yeah.
after snow
I think it's an
day.
age thing now.
All the kids are kind of hoping we break
Yeah.
that record and they get some snow days here. But let's talk about what this storm is doing right now. Certainly has the dynamics to produce that heavy, intense snow, possibly upwards of a foot in spots. Let's take a look at it right now. We'll take you outside to what's happening right now. A little bit of a lull, or at least a lightening in the precipitation in Center City. We do still have some light sleet falling. You can't see that as well as those big fat snowflakes. It's a mix. It's a wintry mix, and that's going to continue through tonight. A little bit of a lull, as we said, overnight as well, as we start to see our energy transfer from Storm A to Storm B. You can see severe weather still breaking out across the Carolinas. That's going to then move up the coast. A lot of energy even from that upper low behind the area, and it's really just going to feed this system as it works through. So wintry mix tonight, but the snow event is tomorrow. So right now you can see still some pretty steady snowfall rates mixing with that heavy sleet. Also some rain, but notice even the mixed precipitation has made it to the coast right now. We're starting to see those ice pellets and the freezing rain mix in as temperatures are marginal, very close to freezing right now. Some heavy bands of snow even picking up right along I-95, slowing you down there. Visibility wise, even if it's not sticking to the roads just yet, tomorrow it will stick to the roads. Temperatures right now hovering around the freezing mark. We're in the mid 30s down the shore, but it's only 30 in Philadelphia, 32 in Trenton, 32 in Wilmington, just 29 in Lancaster. Certainly cold enough for snow. Cold enough for freezing rain as well. If you get that warm layer up in the atmosphere, the snowflakes melt. Ground temperatures are below freezing. You are going to get ice, and some of our models are spitting out over a tenth, possibly 2/10 of an inch of ice, especially in South Jersey and Delaware overnight. This is a problem. When you're talking about that much ice, you're talking about the risk for power outages, very treacherous travel, and that's before the main event even hits overnight. So please be very safe overnight, especially just south of the city. As the precip lightens up, you're talking about more freezing rain than snow, and it could lead to some very serious icing just south of the city. Tomorrow, by midday, we start to see the snow pick up. It'll be around in the morning, but especially starting at about 11 a.m. right through the remainder of the afternoon, just heavy bands of snow, relentless through the evening and right even into tomorrow night, finally tapering after midnight. Here's what we're talking as far as snowfall rates, and I would say most of us are edging toward those higher amounts, but there is an area that I think we could overperform, that being right along the I-95 corridor, including the city of Philadelphia, locally up to 14 inches of snow, possibly even some higher amounts. Remember our last system, we had 16 inches in Richboro, Bucks County. Certainly can't rule out numbers like that with this storm just based on that long duration. So on the roads, yellow light this evening, and then overnight, tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening, it is going to be heavy accumulating snow, and we've got that red light. Biggest spring snow of all time was 19.4 inches on April 3rd and 4th of 1915. Most snow on March 21st will likely break that easily. It was 4.7 inches back in 1932. But our biggest March snow ever, that blizzard of 93, we got a foot in Philadelphia. Could we be gunning for that record? Certainly the possibility is there. And as you can see, that was a foot of snow March 13th and 14th. Mother Nature, when you're talking about a storm like this, does not care if it's December, January, February, or March. And we've even got, as you saw, 19 inches before in April. So certainly the power and the potential is there with this storm. Take it seriously, make some alternate plans for tomorrow, and then hopefully this will be the last one.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Fingers crossed.
Indeed.